So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 AI experts that have completely changed my entire understanding of this space. Whenever I meet a creator who's struggling to keep up, these are the people that I tell them to follow to get the most relevant and current information. First up, we got my bro, Rourke Heath. Rourke is basically the blueprint if you want to understand generative AI workflows as a creative. He's the person who breaks down every new method, every new trick in a way that actually clicks. So Rourke's the type of person that taught me the basics, and I mean the basics. Like at the very minimum, you need to understand the order of operations in generative AI. Usually you start with an LLM like ChatGPT to clean up or write your prompt. Then you use that prompt to put into an image model. And then that generated image becomes what you feed into a video model to actually animate. And sometimes you don't use an LLM, sometimes you're starting with an actual image that you already have, but the flow is the same, image first and then video. And the reason people do it this way is simple. Video models simply cost more and they take longer to render out. So it just makes way more sense to figure out your idea through an image first before you actually spend more money to animate it out through a video model. Next, we have Sebastian Jeffries. Sebastian is another complete resource. This man covers the full spectrum of generative AI for creatives. He's one of those teachers who makes you want to immediately test the new workflow that you just learned about. Sebastian's content is going to show you that not all models are the same. There are so many image models, for example, that have their individual strengths and weaknesses, usually in the realm of quality or character consistency, their prompt accuracy, and the control that they give you. The same goes for video models. Some video models allow you to insert a beginning frame to reference off of, and then some of the newer models even allow you to add an end frame. You'll learn that some companies specialize in actually making their own original models, and some companies just serve as platforms to host other people's models. And they specialize in special options to actually control those models. One example is FreePick Spaces, which is a nodal-based platform that allows you to mix all different types of models all together. Next, we're going to talk about RPN. It's my bro, Roberto. When I want a deeper understanding of what's happening in emerging tech, he's the channel that I open. He covers the updates, the features, the shifts, all with context that actually sticks with you. If you want to understand the why behind AI, this is the guy. Fourth, we're going to talk about my bro, Keanu, aka Keanu Visuals. Keanu lives in that intersection of real filmmaking, real VFX, and AI-driven enhancements. He takes practical footage, brings in After Effects skills, and sprinkles in AI and turns it into something gorgeous. Check out this video he shot of all of us when we were in Spain a couple weeks ago. He actually follows the same philosophy that our team lives by. It's that AI doesn't need to replace the craft. It should just elevate it, treat it as a garnish. Instead of creating completely generative AI scenes, use AI just in your transitions, or maybe in-paint things in your background, outpaint things in your background, maybe change specific elements on your footage, like maybe your clothing, a hat that you're wearing, but at least start with original footage that you've taken yourself. And finally, we're going to talk about Liam Ottely. Liam focuses on the part of AI that almost all creatives, including myself, ignore. I'm talking about agents, automation, the actual business workflows. Almost everyone is always obsessed with top of funnel generative AI tools, but Liam is focused on the rest of the funnel, the systems and processes that actually help clients make money. He's the one that keeps creators ahead, not just visually, but operationally. So if you're watching on IG, comment want for the links to all these creatives. And if you're watching on YouTube, just look in the description.